Thank you, sir. No, not shaking you. Say shake aside.
Shut that up! Set, let us salute! Reset arms! Shut down arms! Service number 47221. Ice Okosia. Guard Commander. Guard Form. And men of Nigerian Coastal Service. Seme. Area Command. Guards present for your inspection, sir. Down arms! Shoot down arms! General salute! Bring set arms! Shoot down arms! May I have your permission to march on the guard into the garden, sir? Set this stand fast! Remain the guard into the guard room. Dismiss! Look.
Monster. That is number 54016. AC1 Suleiman MT. Parade Commander. Officers on parade. Total numbers of the command 445. Officers on parade 120. Officers on guard 43. Annual leave 9. Pass 4. Special assignment 19. On course 2. Left behind 57. Ready for your inspection, sir.
Central! Station!
Coronation. We move in the order. Short paces. By the center. Quick march. Yo! Captain! Sir! May I have your permission to move the whole parade for your address, sir? All officers, come together, please.
It's always a pleasure to repeat memories that make us unique as a paramilitary agency. Without parade, part of the essence of our existence as an institution will be lost. So it becomes very important that once in a while, we meet and gather in a manner such as this in order to recall some of our uniqueness as an institution. From the parade report given this morning, there are 455 officers of this command. 100 of you are on parade. 57 left behind. 19 on special assignment. 3 on course. So I want the DC admin to confirm what happened to the rest of you. This is the first step towards discipline. When I was in training college, I was told that the essence of parade is a test of discipline. And so the commandant will call us out by 4:30 a.m. They will not come to address us until 10 a.m. The essence is to test your endurance and sense of discipline. So if we call for parade, it is expected that all officers must be on parade. Besides keeping physically fit during parade, besides your test of endurance, it's also an opportunity for us to address you and let you know about developments in the service, in Nigeria, and within your environment. And talking about developments, we are all aware that we have a new Controller General of Customs. We also have a new zonal coordinator. What it means is that the service is always evolving. I want to use the opportunity to thank the immediate past Controller General of Customs, Colonel Ibrahim Hamid Ali, retired, who put in 7 years and 8 months of his life serving this nation by being the head of this great institution. As we are all aware, he introduced lots of reforms for which we are supposed to consolidate. We also use this opportunity to congratulate the new Controller General of Customs, Bashir Adawale Adeni, MFR, fellow Nigerian Institute of Public Relations, past Staff College, Daga. He is a square peg that has been put in a square hole. As he has promised us that he's going to consolidate on the gains we made during the reign and tenure of the immediate past Controller General of Customs, it is expected that all of us here, we have to join that train. What do they say about a moving train? If you stay on its way, it will knock you down. If you don't join, you will move with it. Much for your gallantry. May God bless you. DC still remains standing. 50292 SC IK Hassan. Thank you. Thank you very much for your gallantry, Hassan. 51869 SCA Mohammed. Thank you. A round of applause for him, please. Thank you for your gallantry. Thank you very much. Thank you, DC. You can excuse us now. My call on DC Balogo, DC Revenue, to come forward for the next presentation. Still calling out among the officers that see the 10 million naira worth of donkey skin and resisted every temptation to be bribed, induced to release it. My call on 50723 DSC AI Ibrahim. Ibrahim is on standby. 49165 AIC Ladan A. Ladan. Okay. Who's the OC? Good. Thank you very much. 56934 AIC John E. A round of applause for him. Give the DC to give him. Thank you very much for your gallantry. DC, thank you very much. The next set of officers that we are going to also appreciate for their gallantry are the officers that seized fake international passports. That seizure is a very unique one. It takes an officer with a very high sense of duty to discover those items, because passports, driving licenses are items that you can easily hide. But for those officers to discover them, they deserve a very big round of applause before we call them out. First among them is 53738 SCED Ashinze. Sorry, let GC admin, GC ETLS Hamidu. No, Hamidu. DC export, please. Next is 54999 SC2 S Musa. Musa is left behind too. Who is Musa's OC? He's on pass? Okay, so drop his own. Just drop it. We'll give him later. 46423 SC2 AU Eze. Eze is also left behind. Okay, drop it. 55520 AIC Alabi S. Congratulations, Alabi. We commend your gallantry. We commend your gallantry. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Next, we call on the DC evaluation to come forward to make the next presentation. This presentation is for those officers at Baji who seized $6 million fake currency. That particular seizure brought this very command to limelight, to international recognitions, and therefore we want to use this opportunity to appreciate them for their gallantry. First among them is the then OC Baji, who is now our DC Enforcement 40692 Assistant Controller of Customs, ID Musa. A round of applause for him, please. I'm also not surprised that Musa ended up being the DC Enforcement. But for hard work is more work. Congratulations, sir.
We want to appreciate you, first of all, for the encouragement and everything you have been doing towards improving our capacity.
I start by responding to my tower. My tower for asking that question, and I also see the need for you to change your uniform. Please pass one uniform to him. So come forward. Thank you very much. Please give him a pair with a pair of shoes. Yes.
Yo! Present! Sir! May I have for permission to dismiss the parade after your address, sir?
The essence of every parade, first of all, is to make sure that officers are physically fit, in line with service tradition. Two is to appraise my officers and notice their presence. As you noticed, parade was formed and the number of officers on parade was given. The total number of officers and the command was given. Their present status, those on leave, those sick, those on special assignment was given. I went round to check the officers, their physical appearance, asked a number of them questions while going around. And then most importantly for parade, we used the opportunity to address them, to keep them abreast with developments in the service. As you've heard, I informed them about the change, the transition in Nigerian Customs Service. I told them about the new act of Nigerian Customs Service, which has replaced Seme. I told them about the expectations of the new management of customs, and I also encouraged them to continue sustaining the gains that we've made in the command, which translated to our meeting well above half of our target revenue. We've surpassed half of our target revenue in the half year. And I also rewarded them, used the opportunity to reward them publicly for those that made some fantastic seizures. The idea is to encourage others to emulate them and generally give them pep talk on motivate them on what to do to optimize the expectations of the CAC, which is the expectations of the management of Nigerian Customs Service.